Hello team, today's challenge is word length converter, where we're given a string of words and we need to replace each word with its length, with the number of characters inside of that word. We need to replace the word with its length. That's the hint on this one, okay? We don't need to do anything fancy. We're just gonna replace the word with the number. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna get rid of the semicolon because that's not helpful right now. We're going to replace everything that is not a, right here, that is not a space, okay? And we're gonna get as many of those as we can. And then over here, we are going to replace the match, if I can spell it right, with the length. So match dot length. In fact, whoops, I forgot to return, just like this, but that does it. Could we have taken this and made it a one-liner like this? Getting rid of this part here as well. Yes, that absolutely would still work. So you could actually do this as a one-liner. I don't feel like you need to split it and then map over it and then join it, right? Even though that's another option right there. Right here, we just do that replace, right? We replace the string with its length. And that's it for today, right? Not every solution, just one hopefully good solution. Again, if you found a different one that you want to share or you want to comment on this one, hit me up in those comments. I love reading those. Otherwise, today this has been Word Length Converter, and I will see you tomorrow.